bust my buffers. It's been a blast and a half, and no one to worry us.
Back from 3 years on Transformers Reborn, Thomas and all of his STEAM team fought an enemy of Sir Topham Hatt, who wants to get rid of the Steamies and take down the show. But after that one, Thomas, Vector Farr, and all of his friends, and even Tron, saved the world at last. But in this one...
Whoa! What the heck was that?
So you're this planet's great warrior. You have such a beautiful world. Filled with an abundance of life. Savory.
How about a little prime time, Thomas?
Let's do this, Vector.
All right, Thomas, it's prime time.